Hey everyone, welcome back to Globry Digital Innovation, where we dive into the coolest digital tools and the latest in AI technology. In today's video, I will be showing you how to use Remaker AI to swap face in a video in seconds. First of all, what is Remaker AI? Remaker AI is an AI-driven tool that lets users effortlessly swap faces between two images with impressive realism. This tool has gained popularity for creating realistic, entertaining face swaps without requiring advanced editing skills. Alright, let's jump into the process of face swapping in a video with Remaker AI. Go to the website of Remaker AI. Click on the Video Face Swap option. Click Upload Video and select the video in which you want to swap face. You can also select start time and end time of face swap. Now click Upload Target Face and select the target face. These are the target face that will replace the original face in your video. After that, you will see two buttons, Regular Swap and Face HD Swap. For Regular Swap, the cost is 1 credit for 1 second, and for HD Swap, it's 4 credits for 1 second. Click the Swap button for the option you prefer. Remake AI will process the video and perform the face swap. After the process is complete, your video is ready. The video will be deleted after 30 days. So, download it before the time. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Keep creating, keep editing, and we'll see you in the next video.